In Scrum, the product owner is accountable for providing the vision of the product to the Scrum team and their stakeholders. Maximising the work delivered by the development team through ordering the product backlog to focus on delivering value to the product, the customers, users. Maximising the value of the work not done by not prioritising features that will not deliver any value, whether that be indirect or direct. In 2 words, you can describe the product owner as the value optimizer. The development team is accountable to work in a way that reflects the Scrum values. To discuss with the product owner in a timely fashion any item that emerges to be undeliverable within the sprint that they have planned to complete it. To work with the product owner in helping refine product backlog items so that they can be delivered within a sprint. To focus on the work items that deliver the sprint goal that was agreed during sprint planning. To ensure that any work that they represent as being done meets the agreed definition of done. The Scrum Master is accountable for ensuring that the implementation of Scrum is Scrum and not just something that uses the terminology of Scrum. The adherence by all, from the Scrum team and organisation, to the Scrum values. For coaching the Scrum team and the organisation on the adoption of Scrum. And removing impediments that the Scrum team cannot remove for themselves. The Scrum team as a whole is accountable to ensure that it applies the Scrum framework in a way that is consistent with Scrum. To ensure that the value of the Scrum artifacts is achieved by maintaining them in a way that is consistent with professional Scrum. To adopt the Scrum values and applying these within the Scrum events, making sure that the Scrum events deliver the value that is expected. And for using the retrospective effectively so that as a team they are continuously improving.